biggest, most exciting Monster Skytacular! Monster Rocker, can you hit us with some jamming music? Ready to rock! Then Wacky Witch, with a little of your magic. Wacky Witch!
Sorry, this broom is acting up again! I'm okay!
Now, Monster Scientist, did you bring those new flying robots you invented?
My flying robots! Yes, let's take a look!
Great! Engage the robots, hit the tunes, cast your brightest spell, and let's take this monster party to the sky! Waiting for my invitation to arrive.
Invitation to a party where monsters come alive!
Be alive! Was waiting for my invitation to fly!
And we'll take this monster party up to the sky!
Up above the street, the music is a blasting here at Bricktastic. It's a monster party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's rocking with those moves down on the floor. With those monster moves down on the floor. Everybody's rocking with those moves down on the floor. Moves down on the floor, like we've never seen before. With those monster moves down on the floor. It's a monster party. My new flying robots are even more exciting than my rocket-propelled shoelaces. Ooh, let's do some experimenting. It's alive! Look at my creation! So buzzworthy. I'll call you Fly Monster. Making monsters is my absolute favorite. Let's make some more! A black monster? Interesting! And for the grand finale, I'm saving the very best for last! It's the perfect monster!
That was wild! Now, let's make some rockin' music! When you see each Monster Band member's instrument in the sky, shout out what it is! Let's jam out! That's right, the drums! Our favorite, the electric guitar!
What a thrilling Monster Skytacular! And we've saved our favorite Monster Party song for the end! So, all you monsters, sing along! A Monster Party is the perfect party, so let's all dance until we drop. A Monster Party is the perfect party, right now is all we get. Whoa-ha-ha! This has been another thrilling Monster Party, and I wish it could last forever. But until then, have a bricktastic night, and thank you for joining us here at Legoland, Florida Resort.
Now would be a good time to do this.